I should be ashamed of myself. I'm stuck here at Knoxville, Tennessee at a Petro till tomorrow morning. My load don't pick up till tomorrow. So this is pretty much what to do, or you can do, at a truck stop. It ain't a whole lot. It's basically a lot of prep work, getting ready for your next long run. I'm gonna pick up a load of coils, and then we're heading to Salt Lake City, Utah. So this is pretty much all there is to do. You just sit here and wait. This is what you do when you gotta wait around for a load. You do your dirty laundry. Look at the size of those suckers. Those have got to be a whole bunch of suckers in one. Look at them. They are huge. And you got the ducks. Everybody needs a duck. Oh, there's a pig in there. And all this cool junk. You can spend $20 to win $1. I got no idea what this does. This got some. If you ain't got no balls, you can win some. You can sit and watch movies, or whatever this is. Look like a commercial. This guy here, he actually put that wet floor sign up and trained his dog to stand there because he doesn't want anybody to walk around him. He wants to keep his space open. Most ridiculous thing I've seen in my life. Dude had a weird attitude. Well, I'm sitting out here, letting Annie out. I got a guy down there working on my truck. I've been putting off getting a good CB. I thought, well, since I got downtime, and I do got the little money to do it, I'm gonna go ahead and have it done. See, Annie? I just didn't trust her being in the truck alone. Scooter, I ain't got no problem. He ain't gonna do nothing but lick you. But her, I'm afraid she gets cornered up, or feels like she's cornered up like she would in that truck. Then she might just decide to start biting somebody on the bootay to get away from them. Anyway, come out here yesterday evening, and I wanted to brush her down. Man, this hair is just crazy right now on her. But this, you see all that? This is all her hair that I brushed off. I spent a good 30 minutes or more just brushing her. She looks a lot better, but guess what? She's still shedding. Anyway, I decided to get this done because, well, during the winter time, which is coming up, even though my old CB didn't work that good, sorry, it saved me a lot. You know, it got me out of trouble people talking on it about ice up ahead, stop traffic up ahead because there's wreck. Especially when you get in those mountains and you really want to know everything, you know. You just don't want to be hauling butt through there. But I'll let you see it once he gets it all done. We're just gonna stay up here with her to make sure she don't bite nobody. That's the whole thing. She's a grumpy old puss. Old granny. Huh. Get that right. But anyway, I'll show it to y'all when they're done. There it is. New CB Striker. I think it's 447 or 474. See, we can't get on it. Got a Striker antenna. He did a real good job. He ran the cable a lot better than I did. Mine came across the top here, and he ran his up through there, so that's good. We're gonna find out tomorrow what this thing does. Let me see something. I'll get a radio check. Yep. It works. I appreciate it. So, that's good. We did a lot today. We got that installed. Got our laundry over here done. Laundry over here done. Let me cut this off. Bought the dog some more water. Looks like y'all need some more food. Y'all need to quit eating so much, especially you, Chunky. Oh, don't get sad. Camera shy, are you? The Blue swept the truck out, vacuumed. Ate a good meal. I gotta take that out in the morning. Let's see what else we did. I guess that was about it. I took a nap. I was gonna show y'all. That's that antenna. See it? Watch it'll turn blue. Ain't that cool? Ain't that just cool? Oh, that is just coolacious. Not for sure who it is right now. Somebody just lost their job though. Damn. Hate to see that. Show y'all this. Them coils sitting out there. I don't know if you can tell, but you can see how they unrolled all the way. What he said happened was the tires on his trailer came off the road and he just lost control of it. That's him standing over there in the black jeans out in the field. Didn't have the heart to tell him he probably just lost his job. That truck is leaking diesel. So this is going to be here for a while. I'm about to back up. There's a little field back there. I just helped the guy turn around. he did all right. So I'm about to pull this trailer up on the road, and I'm backing it on up. As long as I don't get off in that ditch, we're good. I see a lot of people not put these. They're relying on that cardboard. But this edge is sharp. It ain't gonna take much to cut that cardboard. And then once it cuts that cardboard, it just cuts your strap. Then you're on the side of the road trying to figure out how in the hell are you going to put another strap on there without untarping it. I mean, it can be done. Me personally, I don't like taking that chance. I'd rather go ahead and do it right the first time. And you ain't got to worry about it no more. Well, I ain't gonna say that. I mean, you might have to worry about it, but if something happens, it ain't gonna be over laziness. Get over there. Come on. Now, here's the fun part. For you. This should be about right there. All right. Don't fall off, you piece of junk. You're only gonna anger me. Long enough for me? Just right. Good and tight. Side in. The wind ain't blowing as hard over here. That's likely of a chance to have it blow off of us, hopefully. Oh, that scared me. I thought I put this sucker on backwards. There you go. Yeah, I'm gonna take Mr. Big Bar. Y'all won't see me use him a whole lot, but sometimes it's justified. Just to see how much more we can get out of it. There you go, lock it in there, lock it up. Yeah, you got something this heavy, That little bar don't cut it. That little bar is good for PVC, those aluminum cable trays. Generally stuff that I mean or wind up over tightening with the big bar. I'm bad about over tightening, especially that PVC. Even that little bar will get me if I don't watch it. Well, we made it to the TA here, Illinois. It's been a hell of a day, man. I really got to say. I mean, get up. That was hard enough just getting out of bed. We left out about 4 o'clock, I guess, this morning. That's when my 34 was up. We took off. Then just as we get 2 miles from our pickup, well, that's when that truck turned over, a TMC truck, blocking the whole road. Then of course go get the load. It's been so long since I've been there. My dumb ass walks into the shipping and receiving to get the paperwork, and the lady just looking at me, she goes, well, you gotta get on the scales first. I'm thinking, oh man, it's been a while, I guess. And I guess we'll see you in the next video. So, well, thanks for watching, and have a gooder day. Bye.